He smiled in court, showed no regret, and even said his crimes helped the victims. This is part 6 and the final episode of the Otoku Killer. Hell doesn't always burn. Sometimes it kills. Subscribe to Sinister Crime and watch unfold.
After his arrest in 1989, Tsutsugo Miyazaki was placed on trial. The public was horrified, not just by his crimes, but by his behavior. In court, he barely spoke. When he did, it made no sense. He claimed a cartoon alter ego named Ratman was responsible. Sometimes he laughed. Other times, he drew pictures of monsters in his notebook. This made people question, was he insane? Several psychiatrists examined him. One said he had schizophrenia. Another claimed multiple personality disorder. But the court agreed with the third expert, who said Miyazaki knew exactly what he was doing. He just didn't care. On April 14, 1997, the judge sentenced him to death by hanging. Miyazaki's lawyers appealed. They said he was mentally unfit for punishment. But in 2001, the High Court rejected the appeal. And in 2006, the Supreme Court upheld the death sentence. On June 17, 2008, after nearly 19 years in prison, Miyazaki was executed in Tokyo Detention House. He never showed remorse. In fact, he once said, "Killing those girls was a form of mercy. I helped them." That final statement sent chills through the nation. But even after his death, the damage was done. Media blamed anime. Society blamed fans.